past number of years, we've seen the disastrous effects of the employment embargo and the now current recruitment moratorium have had on nurse staffing numbers. It has now become apparent that we are now in a race to the bottom in terms of safe, effective registered nurse numbers. Nurse-patient ratios have been introduced by our colleagues in California, Victoria, and more recently New South Wales. Nurse-patient ratios represent the maximum number of patients registered nurse can safely provide and administer care. There have been numerous reports and studies carried out on this subject internationally, and the results are eye-opening. For instance, an American study states for each additional patient added to a nurse's workload, there was an associated 7% increase in mortality following common surgeries. Another writer suggests that the risk of death in patients increased by 2% with each reduction in registered nurse numbers, and this risk increases to 4% in units with a high turnover. One other writer points out that the risk of mortality increases to 31% when the registered nurse to patient ratio is increased from 1 to 4 to 1 to 8. On an economic point of view, with a decrease in nurses, the current model in the HSE is to have a faster turnover, so the patient's length of stay decrease. But with reduced nurses, length of stay actually increase. I could go on with these figures, but ultimately we need to begin to look at the need for registered nurse-patient ratios and midwives, I beg your pardon, in Ireland, in all areas. This is required to protect the patient and the individual nurse midwife in their practice. Colleagues, I ask you to support this motion.